Frequency matching. Turn on the remote control and place the aircraft on the horizontal plane. Turn on the aircraft. When the aircraft fuselage flashes, pushing the left rocker to the top and to the bottom, then, at the moment, the remote control emits two sounds of DD. Push the left rocker of the remote control to the lower right corner and the right rocker to the lower left corner and wait for 3 seconds. And the aircraft fuselage light will flash rapidly, indicating that the calibration has launched. And when the fuselage light turns to flash slowly, indicating that the calibration is successful. Compass calibration. Press the geomagnetic calibration function button for 3 seconds. The remote control emits a sound of D, and the body light will flash in the state to enter geomagnetic calibration. Rotate the aircraft horizontally for 3 turns horizontally. Hold the aircraft upright and rotate it for 3 turns. Rear light of the fuselage and green light start normally, indicating successful star receiving. Manual takeoff. Push the left rocker to the remote control to lower left corner and the right rocker to the lower right corner. Right now, the 4 propellers rotate at the uniform speed. When the left joystick is pushed upward, the aircraft rises. When the left joystick pushes downward, the aircraft descends. Surround flight. In GPS mode, press the button of circle.
Push the right rocker upward to set the circle radius. The farther the aircraft flies, the greater the circle radius. The left rocker circles left and left, and the right rocker circles right and right.
Track flight. In GPS mode, click the figure of flight point flight. In the app, click to set the track range of a single flight point or continuous flight point. When it is set to flight point, click the transmission. The aircraft will fly from the initial point to all the flight points. During the flight, the direction of the aircraft can be headless mode. During the period of flight, press the function button of headless mode, and the aircraft can move forward, backward, left and right, disregarding either it is forward or backward. Intelligent following. In the GPS mode, click the GPS figure in the app, and the aircraft will automatically track the change of the position, which is based on the distance from the current position to the operator's device. In the tracking process, click the GPS button to cancel the following. Return flight. Press this button to launch the return flight. When it launched the return flight, the aircraft will directly return to the takeoff spot. In the process of return flight, press return flight button lightly to cancel return flight. Low power return. During the period of flight, when the electric quantity of the aircraft is less than 20%, the aircraft will operate the lower power return automatically and return to the flying point directly.